Hierarchical inheritance. What is this hierarchical inheritance actually? It is the combination of single inheritances in a particular hierarchy or particular architecture or particular hierarchy. It is a combination of single inheritances in a particular hierarchy. Let's say, for example, maybe binary tree hierarchy, B tree hierarchy and B plus tree hierarchy, like different structures are available. Good. What about this Java? Java is supporting or not? The point is which one? Java does support this inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is supported by Java. No issues. Why? Because all are which one? Single inheritances only. All are which one? Single inheritances only. So Java does support this particular type of inheritance. Now let me check this clearly now. Let's say, for example, this is class A. Right, sir. Now this is class B and class C. And this is clearly which one there? Class C. Similarly, this is another level. Right, like this we are able to provide some hierarchy. Now I want to say this is class A and this is class B, this is class C, class D, class E, class F, class G. Relationships see here, if you observe now, here we need to provide upward arrow, and here also, here we have to provide one arrow, and here also we have to provide one arrow. So everything is in the form of arrows only, but actually I have written lines, no, but arrows. These are clearly which one? Arrows. Right. Now here, where we are going to identify these extends relationships, no, here we can provide extends relationship, and here we can provide which one? Extends relationship, and here we can provide extends relationship. That's it. Anything, if you observe any particular part inside this particular architecture, here we are able to get which one? Like a particular structure we are able to identify. But this is a combination of single inheritances only. Any location at anything here, if you identify there, then it is a single inheritance only here we are getting. If you observe this A, B, C, single inheritance, B, D, E, single inheritance, C, F, G, single inheritance. Any number of levels here we can maintain that, no problem. But it should be in a particular structure. Because of that reason only, we are getting which one? Hierarchical inheritance. Just a simple example here I want to provide for this hierarchical inheritance here. Just try to recognize this. Now inside this example, what I will do now, class A. So I don't want to declare any of the variables, no. Next one is class B extends A. Next one is class C extends K. For superclass K, two subclasses are available, B and C. Next one is which one? Then after that, class D extends B. And then after that, class E extends B. Then after that, after completion of this, class F extends C, class G extends C. Like this here we are able to provide. That hierarchical inheritance here we can provide that, and inside this main class and main application, inside this main method we can create object for any particular one, and we are able to access the members of the respective content here. So this is a way to show which one there no hierarchical inheritance clearly. This is what exactly the meaning of which one no hierarchical inheritance clearly no. In the same way, and another thing is which one here last one hybrid inheritance. That another one is which one here hybrid inheritance. What is the meaning of this hybrid inheritance here? Hybrid meaning is which one? It is a relation between classes. It is a relation between classes. Now instead of saying it is a relation, direct relation here, it is the combination of single inheritance and multiple inheritance. It is a combination of single inheritance and multiple inheritance. Java does not support this inheritance. Java does not support this hybrid inheritance. No, it is not possible. Why? Because multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. So automatically hybrid inheritance is also be not possible here. It is the combination of single inheritance and multiple inheritance in a hybrid manner. It's okay, fine. Java does not support this inheritance. But how can we represent this like a hybrid inheritance? No, how it is possible to represent this hybrid inheritance here? If you observe this point, no, answer is very clear. This is superclass A. Now this is subclass. Now let me check this. Right now I want to define this inheritance relations now. Now I want to give class names. Class A, class B, class C, class D, class A, class B, class C, class D. If you observe A, B, C, single inheritance. If you observe B, D, C, B, C, D, two superclasses and one subclass, two superclass and one subclass. So this is which one? Multiple inheritance. Single inheritance and multiple inheritance both are combined. So this is called as which one? Multi-level. Sorry, it is called as which one? Hybrid inheritance. This hybrid inheritance is not possible in Java. It does not supported by Java. It is not possible in Java. Why? Because multiple inheritance is available, which is not supported by Java. Got it. This is the basic awareness on which one care hybrid inheritance. But how can we achieve the same thing? Anyway, extends keyword is not allowing more than one superclass there. The same point here also we are going to highlight. Let's say for example class A. Members I don't want to take now. Just it is class A. Class B extends A. Okay, fine, no problem. Class C extends A. Again, no problem up to this. Now, class D extends B comma C. Definitely error we are able to get. We are directly here we are getting error. Error here we are getting there. Syntax error. Token, comma or something else is expected here. No, comma is not expected here. Now here we are getting some problem. Syntax error. Why? Because in the syntax of this class now, after the extends keyword class name, comma is not available. Comma is not existed now. Comma and other class name is not existed. That's why here we are getting which one now? Like definitely compilation error. So extends keyword is not allowing more than one superclass name along with our single subclass now. So this hybrid inheritance is not possible in the case of Java. So overall, all 5 types of inheritances here we understood clearly. First one is single inheritance, and second one is multiple inheritance, and third one is multi-level, and fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is which one? Hybrid inheritance. Out of all the types of inheritances now, single inheritance and next one is multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. These three things are supported by Java, and multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance are not supported by Java directly. So this is what exactly the meaning of which one? All the types of inheritances clearly.